Hello, I am going to help you with the settings and how to start with OBS simply, but in depth. So, first what you're going to want to do is use a scene. You can, whichever one you click is the one that's selected. I could press add scene, but I don't want to do that right now because I am recording. So, mine is called MC because I'm mostly going to be doing Minecraft on this channel. So, sources are like add a source. Monitor capture is my preference. That's just my preference. So you could right click, press add. You could do a window capture, but I'm not going to do that because I'm recording once again. You could put an image, a slideshow, write something on the screen. A video capture devices if you want to do a face cam. Game capture is self-explanatory. You capture a game. Yeah. So let's you could have your mic and volume set whatever you want, whatever's necessary for you. So let's open up the settings. This general, keep it all here. You can put your language on. Your encoder, leave it to x264 because that's what it's gonna use for the rest of the settings. And so this, if you're doing file output, which means you're recording a video for YouTube, you should use 6000 for your max bitrate and keep your buffer size the same. If you're live streaming, however, you're going to want to go to www.speedtest.net, which I have over here. As you can see here is www.speedtest.net. My ping is 17 milliseconds. My download speed is 28.84 megabytes per second. And my upload speed is 6.03 megabytes per second. And so keep that in mind. If you have 5 or 6, which is what I have, of course this is if you're live streaming. If you're recording a video, then keep it at 6000. But your upload speed should be, if your upload speed is 5000 or 6, sorry. If your upload speed is 5 or 6 megabytes per second, then you're going to want your max bit rate to be 3000. However, if you have 9 or 10, you are going to want this to be 5000. But for me, I'm going to be recording YouTube videos, so of course I'm going to keep this at 6000. So let's apply those. Oh, I'm not even done with this. What am I doing? Your codec is how well information goes in and out. Your MP3 is for sound, so I just keep it on AAC. MP3 will downgrade it. Your bitrate, I don't really know. People have told me different things about it. I don't think it matters. I just leave it at default. Your channel, you want it to be stereo, which means your video and your audio, which means your video and your voice are easier to edit, because we don't want it to be like algebra in mono. Whatever you do to one thing, you have to do the other. You might just want to edit your audio, for example, but you have to edit your video too. So that's why you want to do stereo. Your broadcast settings, if I do file output only because I'm recording YouTube videos. However, if you are live streaming, you're going to want to choose your streaming service. Mine is Twitch/JustinTV. You're going to choose your preferable server. Mine is the closest one to me, which is Ashburn, Virginia. Your stream key can be found on Twitch. youtube.com/JustinTV. Your auto reconnect timeout will be, so if your stream goes down, it will take 10 minutes for it to go back up, fix itself and go back up. So you're gonna miss out on 10 minutes. Alright, now, so for your delay, if you want to set a delay, Twitch sets a 30-second one defaultly. So you can increase that one if you want to. This is if you want to save it as a video, this is your file path where you want to save it to. You have your start stream and stop stream, start recording and stop recording hotkeys, and your mode. I'm gonna do file output now. This is where you want it to save to. You can browse and choose it wherever you want it to be. But so I don't stream at the moment, so I record. I just have these hotkeys. You could set them to whatever you want. Mine is end. So you go down to your video. Your video adapter will always be your graphics card or chip. You can't change that. For your resolution wise, you're gonna want custom most of the time, unless you want to record your second monitor. But I don't record my second monitor. I just use my main one, so I'm using custom, and you should use your default pixel resolution for your screen. So if you don't know how to find that out, you're going to right click on your desktop. You're going to go to screen resolution and see my two monitors are different. So my resolution for my first monitor is 1600 by 900. So we can close that, and so whatever those two numbers, you're gonna put them in here. And you don't want to downscale your resolution. YouTube and Twitch will do that for you. Otherwise, if you do downscale it, you have black bars on the sides, which will just look ugly. There is no reason to have it more than 30 FPS, because if you're uploading to YouTube or Twitch, they limit it to 30 frames per second. There you go. So for your audio, this is your microphone. What the viewers will be hearing. So I have this set to my my headset, and they will be hearing anything inside of my headset. So this is your microphone. So they will hear anything I talk into my microphone headset. You don't want this on mono. Again, it will be harder to edit for you. You can set a push to talk if you want. That's if you press the button, then it unmutes your mic and you will talk. The viewers will hear what you talk. And so you can unmute and mute your mic. You can unmute and mute your desktop just by a hotkey. Leave these last three the same for your advanced. This is important. Leave this the same. All these ones that are checked, you're going to want the same. So your process priority class is, you want that on normal. It's going to strain your PC terribly if you change it. You want this X264 CPU preset on very fast, because that's at least for me. If you have it on anything else, like slow, like all these, that's gonna be super straining on your PC, and like you want to keep it in these on very fast. Most up-to-date computers will have it on be fine running very fast. And if you have a great PC, you can go to faster or fast. Your keyframe interval, if you're live streaming, it wants you to set it to 2. But if you are just recording, it doesn't matter. You don't set your own custom settings. It's too complicated. But I'll show you through it. Like, you have to type in code. So allow 61 to 120 FPS. If you go to your video, yeah, it will allow you to go to above 60 frames per second and up to 120. So, there's no reason to do that because YouTube and Twitch limit it to 30 anyways. Keep these unchecked. They'll mess you up. This is your IP. I'm just gonna keep mine on default. That's what you should do too. So you apply it, and next we are on microphone noise gate. And so your microphone noise gate is trying to eliminate background noise. And so you have your closed threshold and you have your open threshold. I don't really know how this works. I'm sorry that I don't. But you can enable it if you want to. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So, click apply and you are done. So if you like it, please leave a like rating, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Tell me if this helped you. Thank you for watching.